At Jim Douglas Sales and Service, we offer pre-owned, used vehicles, new cars by order, buy here, pay here financing, prime bank financing, and secondary bank financing. We have a complete range of service to suit every buyer. If you have bad credit, no credit, bankruptcy, repossession, divorce, whatever the situation, please let me help you. All of our vehicles get a service inspection before the vehicle is offered for sale. We have been around for 85 years. Our customers love our service and our sales department. If you're looking for a super buy and service after the sale, then come on in and let us help you make the right financial decision. We can help you. With a down payment, you can take delivery today. Secure credit application at jimdouglasusecars.com. Attention Bill. Thanks for looking at my vehicle.